Okay, welcome you all. So this is Code Row, and as usual, another day, another lead code. And today we're gonna do I think we're gonna continue the two pointers problems. So today it's day 71, and as usual, we're gonna do some lead code problems. Before going with that, don't forget to subscribe my social media account. You can find me on LinkedIn, on GitHub, on my Instagram, all my social media account is in are in the YouTube bio. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's go. As I said, so we're following the 150 study map for the lead code problems, and today we're gonna do the container with the most water. Yeah, or the threesome, because I think the container with the most water, we already did this problem in the previous one. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna switch to the threesome. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so I have given an integer array nums, return all the triplets nums I, nums g, nums k, such that I is different from g, I different k, g different to k, and nums I plus g plus k equal 0. Okay, so the numbers are different and its sum equals 0. Okay, so input, have this input minus 1 0, and okay, so this is already 0, and we have minus 1 and 2. Okay, num 0 plus num 1 plus num 2, I plus 0 okay. Notice the order of the output and the order of the triplet does not matter. Okay, yeah. So nums equal 0 1 positive. Okay, so there is no triplet that their sum equals 0 here, and this the triplet. Okay, so how we're gonna do this? Let's bring x down. Okay, so this is yesterday problem. What's the best way to learn coding if you already know the basics of Java? Do some projects. Yeah, the project are the best way to learn any programming language. You can do hackathon and you get a job or interview. Um, I'm student, so I'm not. I'm in the last year, so I will not be able to get a job. But I got an internship in a company that I liked, and the company was pretty good. And yeah, hopefully, the next year, I'm gonna find a job. Hopefully. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so we have three numbers, I and j and k. Let's make this here. Okay, I, g, and k. We have this list. Welcome stream, by the way. Welcome. Okay, so we have this minus 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, and 4. So we're gonna extract three triplets that their sum equals 0, which is minus 1, 0, and 1. So minus 1 plus 0 plus 1 equals 0. So we're gonna get those in a list. And also we have minus 1 and minus 1 and minus 1 and minus 1 and 2. It's 2. We're gonna get 0. Okay. So I think it's not that of a big deal. Your work ethics is amazing for a don't. Hey, thank you, man. Thank you. Welcome stream, man. Okay, so I think we're gonna define three variables: I, j, and k. We're gonna make I equal 0, g equal the mid, which is the length divided by 2, and k will be the end, I think. Okay, and I'm gonna do some tests with it. Okay, okay. So let's just like define the variables right now. Okay, so we have I, j, and k equal 0, len of nums, nums, and k equal len of nums minus 1. And I'm gonna do like a while loop. I think the while loop is gonna be like no, I'm gonna okay, I'm gonna make it while true for now, and we're gonna discover the conditions later. So while true, while true. Okay, next we're gonna like okay, so is it okay? So we have the final input. So I'm gonna define a final list, which is result equal a single output, and or for I. I think I'm gonna sort this like to make it better. Okay, I think I'm gonna sort the list. Okay, so this list. Okay, so nums. What? What is going on? Oh, the other one. Okay, so nums equal -1, 0, 1, 2, -1, and 4. So I'm gonna sort it. So the final result will be okay. I'm gonna make this whole. The final result. Oh, this mouse, man. So the final result will be -1, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 4. Okay, then I think I'm gonna start I here. So I equal -1. J and K. Okay. K is here and G is somewhere here. Okay. I plus G plus K equal -1 plus 0 plus 4, which is equal 5. What is going on here? Equal 5. So 5 is greater than 0, so I think we're gonna do k -1. Okay, so if k is -1, so this is -1, and g will be the same. So I plus g plus k equal -1 plus 0 plus 2, which is greater than 0. So we're gonna continue decreasing the k. So k is here, and j is gonna be -1. No, so -1 -1 plus 1. But we need the 0. Okay, so is the stream going good? Is this string good? Because I don't think so. The fuck? Why is not? I really don't know why. I have to check if the stream is going good or not. Okay, so YouTube. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so yeah, we're good, we're good. What is going on? Okay, okay, we're good, we're good. Okay, so I think do we need like 3 pointers? Okay, it's 3 some, but do we need 3 pointers? Okay, so I'm just gonna continue with I and K. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do like if I plus K equal like 0, so uh, um, so if I plus K equal like 2, so in order to be 0, so I have to subtract 2. So if minus 2 is in the list, so I'm gonna do that triplet, and if it's not, I'm gonna simply don't make it in the final list. But how we're gonna increment this? Okay, so minus 1 plus 1 and the 2. So the 2 is not gonna be okay. Then okay, so if it's 0, I think we have to like no, I think if left is okay, so here we have 0. So what can I do? And this is 0 also. Man, this sword. Is this medium? Is this called medium? Because I think it's sword. Where is the lead code? It's medium. I think some like problems lead code say that's medium, but it's really hard, man. Okay, so -1, but in font condition I'm gonna decrement or increment I or K. -1. We have to have like a result of -1 and -1 and 2. So -1 and 2. So okay, so it's 0. So I'm gonna choose to increment the I. Okay. So -1 plus -1, 0 also. Increment the I another 1, -1, 1. So it's greater than. No. Or do I have like to fix? We're gonna fix I and then increment. So it's gonna be N2. Okay, let's just try it. Okay. I have an idea. Okay, so I'm not gonna define those two. I'm gonna make for I in range len of nums. Okay. So if I plus if I plus k equals 0. No, I'm not gonna do it. If I plus k is greater than 0, so I plus k is gonna be 2. It's gonna be 2. So I have to make I'm not finding the reason. I'm not finding the idea, man. What the hell? Okay, let's read it another time. I plus k1. If we have minus. Okay, so if like the negative, or if is it no like the negative, how to convert positive to negative? To negative in not Java and Python. How to convert positive number to a negative? Minus. We're gonna just add minus. Okay, that's good. Okay, so if minus I plus k is in nums, if nums of nums of, okay, so okay, if nums of minus nums of I is in nums, so result dot append result dot append. We have to know its index. How we know its index? Okay, dot append I result dot append nums of I nums of k and its opposite, and minus nums of I plus k. Okay. Minus nums of 23. Okay. So we have to make two for loops for k in range I and len of nums. Okay, so we have to make this like that. Okay, so I think this is good. Okay, so I'm gonna make print. Okay, so I'm gonna print it every time here. Where do I have, okay, so I'll print result. Okay, okay. Oh, no. Oh, so this is like this. Okay, okay, so, oh, okay, at the very first we have the result, yeah? Yeah, we have the result here. Yeah, yeah, all good. The order doesn't matter, okay? Contain duplicates. The distinct order knows that the order of the output and the order of the triplets does not matter. Okay, we're good. But we have here another one. What is this? Don't have. Okay, 2, 2, and 4. Oh, how how is this possible? Okay, so I think this doesn't have to start from I. It's I plus 1. It's always I plus 1. Okay. We're good. So we have only one duplicate. Okay. I think I'm gonna sort every one. Okay. So this is point sort. I didn't sort nums. None. Why it's none, man? Do I have like to make it an A? Result of append sorted. Like it's sorted. Does sorted work? I'm really not understanding anything. It is sorted. It is sorted. So this is this. Okay, so do I have to check it? Okay. Oh, I have to check it before like adding it. Okay, so I'm gonna make a like temporary list. So temp equal da da da. Okay, so temp equal all this sorted. Temp equal the sorted. Okay, I'm gonna check if temp in result. So we're only gonna continue, else append it. Okay, let's see. It's the pentax exactly on append. Okay. Result to append temp. We're good. Okay, so let's return at the end. Let's return I'm just gonna check with it, and yeah, let's return result. Oh, okay, so I have okay, so I have this I plus k equals 0. Okay, so I have to make another conditions. Okay, so if nums I plus k equal 0. Okay, I'm gonna make this in parentheses. If nums I plus k equal 0, then if 0 in nums, if 0 in nums, so temp equal nums of a, nums of k, and 0. If temp if result, okay, so let's just, okay, we're good. And I have the other condition if nums I plus k is not, is less than 0. Okay, so if I plus k minus 2, nums, I think same. I think we have like the same thing here. If nums I plus k is less than so if so minus 2. Okay, let's just try it. Okay, so if nums of I plus nums of k, no, nums I nums k. Why this is false? Okay, so what is happening here? Why you have this? Why you have this? Minus 4 to 2. Minus 4 to 2. Minus 4, 2, and 2. Why you have the 2? 2, I plus 1. Okay, so I have to print here result and print nums of I and nums of k. Okay, so here we have minus 1 and 4. Minus 1 and 4. 1 and minus 4. Okay. And then we have 2 and minus 4. Why 2 and minus 4? Why here minus 4? Minus 1 and 0. And then minus 1 and 2. Minus 1. Okay. So we have 2 and minus 4, which is minus 2. Oh. I have to make another condition. If it's existed and its index is oh, okay. So if store in nums and okay, it's not in nums. In nums of I till the end. Nums of I till the end. Nums of I plus 1, I think, actually. Okay, so let's make it like this. Let's make it like this, like that, and yeah. Okay, so that work. Hopefully it's work like the other. Okay, so this is not good. Nouns output expected. Okay. 1 minus 1 and minus 1 and 2. Oh, okay, so this is until 2 and minus 1. 2 and minus 1. Okay, okay, okay. The edge case. So it has to be nums I plus 1, okay. And okay. Okay, so I'm gonna use this test case. Let's see. That's good, that's good. So this is working. Okay, so let's see the others. Output limit exceeded. Okay. I think I'm gonna make this. Submit. Okay, I'm gonna use this test case. Okay, that passed. I think we're gonna pass all the tests. Man. Yo, man. It's 310, 350. I really don't like last executed time limit. The time is too high, man. But I really don't know how to solve those kind of problem, yeah? It's like the 310 out of 315 test cases, so we have only 5 test cases left, and I think it's gonna work on this. Because Python has like a very long like execution time, so I think this is a normal one, and my solution is like very crowded. I think we can optimize it, but I really don't have any idea about now. Okay, so like this block and this block is the same thing, but in the absolute. Okay, so I'm gonna make if. Okay, so let's just comment this, and if absolute of this. Okay, so let's run it to see if it's good. Okay, not on this test case. I want the other test cases, okay? Okay, we still have. Okay, so I'm gonna exclude this test cases. We still have the runtime. Man, we're good. We're good. We only have 5 test cases left. I think I'm gonna ask chat. Uh, yeah, I really don't want to make another like solution. Okay, so I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT to optimize it for me and see. Yeah, we can consider this a failure, but I really don't have another idea, and I don't know. I ran out of idea, man. Okay, so I have this. I really don't have like. Don't think there is problem of using like LLM if you like you understand the idea about it. So, and this test case is not okay. I'm gonna copy this test case for him. Okay. Hopefully it works. No. Hopefully that works. Okay, I see efficient. Sort the array. Okay, I think this is left and right. If left, I want to use my approach. Yeah. Okay, so chat optimize it for us like this. Let's run it and see. Okay, let's submit it. Let's not submit it. $3.14, man. Yo, what is this test case, man? Okay. 314. This is the last test case, man. Because it's a N2. Okay, so I'm gonna see his like solution and brainstorm it. Okay, so this is the most classic way. So I'm gonna make my solution here and his the solution there and compare it. Okay, so I have to open VS Code. I'm gonna on a textbook. Okay, let's just see it like this. Okay, so I'm gonna open a textbook. Look note. Okay. So this is my approach. And let's open another one. And I like. Okay, so this is his idea. Okay, so let's just compare it. Okay, so I think this is good. Okay. Okay, so what I did is defining two variables. Then you get an internship. Yeah, I did in the summer in a company that I liked, and the internship was pretty good. Yeah, welcome stream by the way. Okay, so my solution was to define two variables, which is I and k. We're gonna make a two for loops. The I is we're gonna every time like move the I, and the k is gonna move depend on the I. So if I is the index 0, the k will be moving from 1 till the end of the list. And with that, we're gonna make a runtime or execution time on2. So it's very expensive, and I really don't recommend doing it. But that was the only idea for now. So I use two variables, and if the absolute of nums I plus num of k is greater than 0, which means if we have like -1 and -1, it's gonna be -2. The absolute of it is 2. Congratulations, man. I have more currencies. I have an internship. Hey, thank you, man. Good luck on finding an internship. Thank you, man. Just work hard, do some lead codes, do some project, and everything will be fine. Okay, so my idea is to sum those two values. So its sum is -2, the absolute of it is 2. So we have to find another number which is the opposite of -2, which is 2 in the list, to have a triplet. So if we have -2 or 2, we're gonna add -1, -1, and 2 to the list. So this is the idea behind it. So if -1 in nums, temp sorted, I'm gonna sort it to like if every time I'm gonna append it to the final list, we're not gonna have two lists that are the same list actually. So if temp in result continues, so if we already have that triplet, we're not gonna append it to the list. If we don't have, we're gonna append it. This we don't need it. And the other condition, if nums I plus num k equals 0, then we only gonna add 0. So for example, we have like this triplet. Where is it? Okay, so let's say we have this triplet. The mouse. Okay, we have, man, the mouse is, okay, so I'm gonna make it for this. Okay, so let's say I have -2 and 2 and 3 and 0. So the -2 plus the 2 will be 0. So in order to make a triplet, we're gonna need another 0. So if 0 here, we're gonna make -2, 2, and 0. And yeah, if we have like a list of 0, 0, 0, so 0 plus 0 is 0, and we need another 0, so we're gonna append it. Yeah. So this is the idea behind my approach. If the sum of the two numbers are 0, we're gonna only append 0, and yeah, finally we're gonna return the list. But ChatGPT, or the like classic solution is to sort the initial list. Okay, so let's just try his approach here. Okay, so no, this way, and yeah, let's get rid of all of this and make this bigger. So the solution was to sort the numbers. So if we have like -1, 0, -1, 2, and like 1, it's gonna sort it. So the sorted one will be -0, -0, -1, -1, 0, 2, and let's say this is 4 and 4. So this will be the list we're gonna work on. So and then he's gonna loop the list with I. So this is I. If I is greater than 0 and nums of I equal nums of I minus 1, so he's gonna like skip duplicate. So in this case, this is not gonna happen. But in this case, this condition gonna happen. So I is greater than 0, nums of 1 equal nums of I minus 1, which is those. So he's gonna continue. He's not gonna need it. and then he defined two variables which are left and right. So the left will be at the beginning of the list, so left will be this right, so yeah, this left, and right will be this. Okay, while left is lower than right, so left is lower than right, yeah. Total equal nums of I plus nums of L plus nums of R. So I is here, and right here and left here. Okay, so minus 1, which is the right, plus 1 minus 1, which is I, plus 4, which is the right. This is gonna be 2. So 2 is greater than 0. So if it's greater than 0, we're gonna decrement the air. So the air is not gonna be here, the air gonna be here. Okay, and then minus 1, we're gonna repeat the idea. Minus 1 plus 2 equals 0. So if it's equal 0, we're gonna append the nums of I. The nums of I plus nums of L plus and nums of R, and we're gonna increment and decrement, increment the left and decrement the right at the same time. And yeah, and then when to skip the duplicate, while left is lower than right and nums of I equal nums of I minus 1, we're gonna add left 1, otherwise we're gonna decrement the right. And yeah, after all this, we're gonna only return the rest, which is our final result. Yeah, this is good, but I think I really think my solution is more understandable and more classic. But the runtime is too high because we are using Python. If we are using C++ or Java, I think the test cases should have been passed in the time thing. But yeah, this is all good. We are learning every day new ways of solving Leetcode problems in an optimized way, and this is pretty good. And yeah, so it's about 47 minutes. Yeah, this one was very good. I think this is the end of stream. So thank you everyone. Hope you like the video. Hope you like the comeback. As I said, this is the end of the video. Thank you everyone, and see you tomorrow to solve another Leetcode problem as usual. Thank you everyone, and goodbye.